let's go over some of this on 2.4b. So let's go over number 2. Number 2, what we are doing when we first always do a proof, the explanation is going to be right. We want to write the equation. And our reason is always going to be given. Because it was given, we write it down first. Let me use a thinner, maybe a thinner one? No, thinner. And then after we write the equation, it says divide by pi. Well, when we divide by pi, we move it from the numerator on one side to the denominator on the other side. So pi goes into the denominator on the other side. And the property that allows us to do that is division property. Next, the last one, it says division property. We're trying to solve for r here. Well, we have 2 times r. So I imagine they're dividing by 2 because that's the only thing left. So once again, it goes from the numerator into the denominator. So it is a over 2 pi equals r. And what did we divide? We divide by 2. And they use division property. Let's look at number 4. If m equals a, measure of angle A equals measure of angle B, and measure angle B equals 42, then measure angle A equals 42. Well, I noticed that they skipped the middleman of measure angle B and measure angle B. That got erased, and it skipped to A, then must equal 42. When you skip the middleman, that is called transitive property. Number 6, if you look at number 6, x equals 2, okay? And then I noticed that on one side, it's being divided by 4, and on the other side, it is being divided by 4. And the property that divides both sides by the same number that allows us to do that is division property. Let's go down to number 10. Transitive property. So once again, transitive property cuts out the middleman. So here, we just cut out the middleman. And then we say, well, 3x plus y then must equal 5x minus 2y. And that is that.